guys, it's Jessica from Expressions Vinyl, and it's no secret that I love all things glitter. I especially love our Adhesive Glitter Vinyl. It comes in 25 different colors and you can glitter everything without the mess. So we have it in a 12 by 12 size, we also have it in a 12 by 24 size, and we have our handy sample kits, so if you need to match up colors, these are perfect. The glitter vinyl has a permanent adhesive, so it's great on glasses, water bottles, mugs, and even on wood. It's made up of 3 layers. You've got the vinyl on top, the adhesive underneath, and then this paper backing. When you're cutting the vinyl, you only want to cut through the vinyl and the adhesive. You don't want to cut through this paper backing. The glitter is a cast vinyl, so it works great around these curved surfaces. And I'm going to show you that. My groom needs a bride, so let's make her a champagne glass. I'm going to go to my vinyl here that I have cut using my silhouette. So the settings that I used in my silhouette were a blade on a 2 and my force at a 7. And it weeds out perfectly. We'll burnish that down. So we've got this all trimmed out and we're ready to put it on our champagne glass. So I'm going to peel the paper transfer tape and the vinyl off of that paper backing. And I'm ready to apply. And I'm just going to carefully lay this down on my glass and rub it gently. You don't want to squeeze too hard because you don't want to break your champagne glass, but you do want to make sure that vinyl is stuck down. And we'll peel off that transfer tape carefully, making sure we don't take any of the vinyl back up with us. And now our groom has a bride. So you can cut the glitter adhesive with a Cricut, a silhouette, a Brother Scan and Cut, or even a pair of scissors. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you're going to glitter. Thanks, guys.